Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about image. What is image? How it can be formed either inside a mirror or on a screen. So image can be defined as the appearance or picture of a real object. If there is any real object, then only image can be formed. Otherwise image can't be formed. So image is an appearance of real object and it is formed by the light ray that is either reflected from a smooth surface, that is from a mirror, then it can be formed, or it is if it is passing through a lens, then only image can be formed. So image can be formed either if it is reflected from a smooth surface and for example mirror, so image can be formed inside mirror, in plane mirror as well as convex mirror, or it can be formed if the rays are passing through a lens and falling on a screen, or rays are reflected through a concave mirror and falling or meeting on a screen, then only image can be formed. So for formation of image, at least two reflected rays should meet on a certain point, or two rays those are passing through convex lens should meet at certain point on a screen, then only image can be formed. So accordingly images are two types of images can be formed, real and virtual image. So what is real image? Real image can be obtained on a screen. Okay, so the image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image, and real image reflected rays meet on a screen. For a real image, reflected rays should meet on a screen and it is always inverted. So a real image can be formed through concave mirror. In concave mirror, the rays are reflected and meets on a screen, then real image is formed. Or it can be the rays can be passed through a lens, that is convex lens, and then meeting at a certain point on a screen, then real image is formed. So real image is always inverted. Real image wherever it is formed, definitely it is formed on a screen, so it is always inverted, that is upside down. Now let us discuss about virtual image. Virtual image, it can't be obtained on a screen. The image which can't be obtained on a screen is called virtual image, and in virtual image the reflected rays appear to meet on a certain point inside the mirror, inside either plane mirror or convex mirror. It appears to meet only, then image is formed inside the mirror, that is behind the mirror. But virtual image can't be formed on a screen. Okay, and virtual image is always erect. You can look at the ray diagram. This is real image formed on a convex lens, formed through a convex lens on a screen. Okay, and it is inverted. This is virtual image that is formed on a mirror. This is a plane mirror and it is formed behind the mirror. So the reflected rays are appear to meet at a certain point behind the mirror, but it is not actually meeting. That is why this image is erect. Okay, so in next episodes or videos we will discuss more about characteristic of image formation in plane mirror. Till that, you look at the screen.